Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to fix Windows security app not working in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on Windows key, then search here Windows security. You can see here Windows security. Right click on this, click on app settings. In this, little bit scroll down, then click on repair. After that, click on reset. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys, this is a quick and simple method to fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.